Hey everybody, bit of a short video for you today. I want to show you the new limited edition outdoor Systainer from Festool, and I want to showcase all the little goodies inside, as well as talk a little bit about why I have started to embrace Festool in my shop. All right, so here we have it. We have the limited edition outdoor Systainer from Festool. This is an green and orange Sys 3 M137, so that means it's 137 millimeters tall. Now the website, both the Festool fan shop website as well as all their partner retailers, will likely incorrectly list this as 112 millimeters, but it is actually 137. Now this retails for $129 Canadian or $99 US, and it's not just an empty Systainer. There are some goodies inside, so let's take a look. And at the top, we're greeted with contents to be sold as a set, not for individual sale. And we have a little bit of a flyer promoting the Festool fan shop. So now I did buy mine through Lee Valley, but they are trying to promote it pretty heavily through the Festool fan shop if you're subscribed to their email list. So festoolfanshop.com.ca, and we can see what's inside. So basically we have a hat and 2 mugs. So let's take a quick look at the hat first. Now, I do like this hat. I think that the quality feels pretty okay. Got snapback, kind of that trucker style, but it's more of a nice soft mesh than kind of the plasticky mesh that you usually get. It is made by Cap America, if that means anything to you. Never heard of it. And kind of like this digital camo. I like it. I'll definitely be wearing this around out and about. And also inside we have 2 identical mugs. So let's take a look at one of these. Now these are, there's no branding on them to be able to tell if they're made by Stanley or anything like that. So chances are it's just kind of like one of those companies that makes okay quality insulated mugs that will put whatever brand wants to partner with them on it. Oh, nice seal with the top. And yeah, as far as just kind of like the feel, it's not too different than the Stanley mugs that I have of kind of similar style. Yeah, it doesn't feel like a name brand by any means, but seems okay. So for $129 Canadian, $99 US, you are getting the 2 mugs, the hat, and the Systainer. So I'm likely gonna put a bunch of camping supplies, kind of some of the nicer flashlights and knives and that kind of thing in here, and kind of have it ready to go camping when we take the truck and go camping with the family. So yeah, if you're in the market for kind of a unique Systainer, it's kind of a cute kit. So I'm totally fine with that. But let's wrap this video up and be on our way. So just a couple final words I want to put out there. So I am a bit of a self-proclaimed Festool fanboy. Now my collection of Festool is nothing compared to a lot of other woodworkers out there. It's nothing compared to the guy just one street over. Hey, Mike. But I really like their tools. I like the system. I like the packaging. I like the overall quality. I like the warranty. And I did have to get something covered through warranty, and it was an absolutely flawless experience. There's amazing first-party accessories, amazing third-party accessories. Kind of all of these things have kind of made Festool a nice addition to my shop. I don't have a lot of time in the shop, having a young family, but when I do, I don't have to worry too much about setup. I can come out and trust the tool and that it's going to do the work that I need to. And if you have access to the money to be able to buy Festool and you're interested in it, it is an awesome system. Kind of the DIY MFT in front of me right here is kind of the center part of my shop. And when I had my DeWalt track saw, I wasn't really drawn to build something like this, but once I got the Festool track saw, I was really just kind of drawn to the whole dog system, the UJK accessories, the TSO stuff. There's just, it's an amazing system. So I know a lot of people watching this video have zero interest in Festool, so I'm surprised that you stayed for this long, but I just wanted to share some of these confessions as a Festool fanboy, because I know my collection will continue to expand. I still have my Makita miter saw that I love, so I don't really have any intentions of moving to the Capex anytime soon. As soon as I'm doing some sort of big cabinetry, I do plan to buy the Festool Domino to make that a little easier. I'm loving my new-ish ETS 150, and really kind of everything else is just kind of falling into place. I think the only tool that I've been disappointed with so far is the CSX12, which just kind of that annoying loud hum, shriek, less of a hum, more of a shriek. It kind of threw me away, so I did return that. The other one was the edge guide for the OF1010, which I did not like at all, but it does look like there's a slightly newer version of the OF1010 coming, and there's a new edge guide coming with it. So I'm hoping that that edge guide is compatible with the OF1010 that I currently have. So there you have it. Festool, love it, hate it, neutral. It's something that I enjoy, and yeah, thanks for watching.